So I was check fitting, adjustable retention. It's got 4 bushings on the inside, screwed together on the exterior. It's ambidextrous. You can rotate your magazines either way. So I was just check fitting, making sure it's the right tension for the magazines that I'm using. This is a Duramag stainless steel, and I have some pink Anno Duramags aluminum. But this is how it comes, naked. It is curved to a plate. So if you're running this on a plate carrier, it's plate curved, flared magwell. The flare is heavier in the front, not the rear. And we are using a Haley chest rig right now. And the Haley is loop and loop Velcro. The velocity systems are hook and loop, and everyone has a different recipe for how they want their kangaroo pouches. Some people want to leave them a pouch. Other companies have hook and loop so that when you're not using the pouch, it sticks to itself. But we're gonna map this to the Haley. This is Velcro that I got off Amazon. It comes with hook and loop in a big roll. It's advertised. You can hang. It's so strong you can hang garden tools with it. So I cut them into squares. It doesn't really matter how big you make them. You can make them the whole size of this. I don't think it's necessary for how strong this Velcro is. So I made them a little bit smaller because if I do want to swap this to a different placard or insert, I also didn't want a lot of sticky residue all over it. I'm just avoiding the mag flares. It's not necessary to stick it onto the flares. This stuff is super tacky, so the reason why we made this is there's so many different placards on the market. They all have their own recipes, and most of these companies never have certain accessories in stock. So we wanted to create accessories that are available on demand, made to order, with minimal lead times, that fill this void in the industry. And we wanted to be able to map the Velcro to the placard or chest rig insert so that you don't have to adhere to a certain company's specific accessories. Maybe the Haley inserts are great for the Haley, but you really like the Haley inserts and you want to use them on a velocity systems, but the Velcro isn't mapped. And if you're not savvy with a sewing machine and you don't have line-on materials, you can't mod your gear. So we wanted it easy to mod just by peeling these off and sticking some new stuff on if you wanted to run this in a different placard. So I'm just going to stick this in here. And this is super grippy Velcro. You can see the Velcro doesn't go all the way down to the bottom. That's okay, it's not a big deal. The bottom of the GHIDORAH has standoffs, Kydex standoffs that hold it at what we believe is the best height. So that's in there, nice and tight. So, get them right in there. Alright, so we're in business. It sits low. We do have a little bit of this here. Not a big deal though. They come right out, they sit deep. We'll get this suited up.